Let's get ready to transform this Cybertruck with Lumar Formula One Stratus window tint at High End Detail. So first thing I'm gonna do is check the shade of this factory dye glass. So the shade is right here, 25–24%. And now if we put Stratus 70, it'll be like 16, almost 15%. Knowing that number is crucial because now we know what shade to put on the front.
One of the things that we are going to be doing to this Tesla Cybertruck is the front windshield. Now this is the most massive windshield out there right now in the auto industry, and I'm going to take my luck and attempt to tint it, so follow along with it. Let's go. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to clean it, scrub it really good, make sure that there's no dirt. So we've done a Model X, we've done Model 3s and stuff like that in the past. So I'm pretty excited to see what's the difference on this one, and just pretty much to have it under my belt that I could tint this one. So that'll be a good experience, fun experience. Adding this soap makes it easier for us to shrink the film on the outside. And this windshield doesn't look curvy at all. We are gonna shrink it just to make sure that when we are inside unrolling the roll and unrolling the film, we don't have any issues with the film sticking. So I'm applying this soaps, just regular body soap on the windshield. So like that, it helps the film stick as I shrink it. In order for us to do this windshield, we need a huge 60-inch row. Normally for all trucks and SUVs, a 36 or a 40-inch row is enough, but this one, since it's so huge, hopefully the 60-inch roll is enough, but just so you get a perspective, this is the size of the roll that we need in order to get that windshield tinted. So hopefully we get it done in one try. If we don't, it's gonna be a costly mistake. We gotta do it again. So there you have it, guys. The Tesla Cybertruck is leaving High End Detail with Formula One Stratus window tint all around, including the sunroof, including the massive windshield, and then everything else on the sides. So remember, if you want this combination, we did 70% Stratus on the rear factory dye windows, which brought it down to like about 17%, 16%, and that matched perfectly with the 15% that we did on the two front windows. He went with 70% Stratus on the windshield and on the sunroof, so it's virtually clear, but blocks a significant amount of heat from coming in. If you guys like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below to give us ideas on what else we should do next. Don't forget to find us on social media. We are on Instagram, Facebook, our website as well, highenddetail.com. But more importantly, give us a call, 786-370-7838. I'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye, guys.